Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to Sewacall. Today, we will see how to connect KRX Wi-Fi to Signage. We have to go to Settings, then to Network and Wi-Fi, and then Wi-Fi. After that, select Sewacall Network. Once it's connected, a blue light will appear. After this, minimize and close it. We will swipe right. There you'll see two options, Sewacall and Admin. Sewacall will be your homepage, and on Admin, you will get editing options where you can do customizations. You will see a page where you can edit your area name, which means your Wi-Fi name. Likewise, floor 1. You'll also have options to set delay timer, second delay timer, reminder tones, and a manually close option where you can enable or disable the touch function. Here you can edit the name based on your preferred key. Secondly, you can also change the theme. Select any theme you like, make the changes, and save them. On the Add Buttons section, you can add buttons with names like room number, table number, or any name you want. After adding, you can save them. In the Wi-Fi setup, you need to enter your local Wi-Fi name and password. The other fields are for Cloud ID, and these fields are optional and only required if you're using Sewacall's cloud features. In the History section, you can select the date-wise history as shown in the video, and you can also download a CSV file. After making all the necessary customizations, save them and then minimize it and go to the Sewacall homepage. That page will now be active, and any incoming calls will be displayed there.